If you ask the internet hive mind, this is a car from a company that can do absolutely nothing wrong these days. And this is a car from a brand that can do absolutely nothing right. And this is a car that's an insult to its nameplate and 60-year heritage. Eye roll. Oh, and then there's the Tesla, which you either love so much or hate so much that either way, you're gonna be in a forum arguing about it. This is going to be a very quiet episode. Or not.
The Genesis GV60 is a brand new electric SUV, and it's a direct competitor to the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT and the Tesla Model Y Performance, with roughly the same horsepower as both. BMW's stunning new iX is a size bigger and 2 rungs heavier, but it boasts 516 horsepower from its 2 electric motors. And so it's time to see who reigns supreme when it comes to fast people movers between 70 and 85 grand.
I wasn't expecting that. Who knew Genesis's vision of the future would be so quick? That thing is quicker than an Aston Martin DBX, the $200,000 SUV that looks so much like. And by the way, the Genesis's 483 horsepower rating is only good for 10 seconds, which means for the last 2 seconds of that race, GV60 had to make do with only 429. Apparently that was enough to win this race. This is the slow version of BMW's new iX. There's an M60 coming that'll leave this one for dead. Boop. But it's not a slow car. In fact, it lost only off the line because BMW ramps up the current slowly. But once it's moving, well, it's actually a hair quicker than the Genesis is. And so it crosses the line at a higher speed, which is no surprise coming from a company that teethed itself on the Autobahn. Unfortunately, 10 miles an hour later, it then slams into its 124 mile an hour speed limiter, so Autobahn, schmautobahn. Let's talk about around town, where speed is really important. Or, allow me to say the Ford Mustang Mach-E 4X GT is a case study in what's important to the American driver. Because that thing rips itself off the line, spinning all 4 summer-only Pirellis and banging off the quickest run to 60 miles an hour. It's nuts. But the fun only lasts for about 5 seconds before it starts pulling power. By that point, let me promise you, you're already speeding. It's hard to feel bad for a taxicab yellow family truckster that rips off a run to 60 miles an hour quicker than an SLR McLaren.
In sum, these 3 innocuous and luxurious family haulers are all supercar quick. If you encounter one of these things in the wild, you'd better be certain that the race is going to last for more than 5 or 10 seconds, and that you're on a closed course. Oh, and you'd better be on your A game.
Even if you're in something loud and fast, like a Corvette, a C7, a Z51, small block, rear-wheel drive, and hellaciously fast. And now in a drag race against an electric mommy mobile.
cross the line at the same time, just as the Vette is about to fly right by. And that's if you get a perfect launch in the Corvette. All it takes is a quick press of the boost button to make the GV60 Corvette quick, meaning, in terms of acceleration, a practical people mover blob has caught up to the sports car benchmark of just one generation ago.
Welcome to the new world. A world in which every time you talk about fast cars, there's a benchmark with a Tesla badge on it. The Model Y Performance isn't ludicrously quick, but good luck trying to find something with a gas engine that would keep up with it, which means the Genesis has its work cut out for it.
The answer is yes, Genesis can keep up with Tesla. This was awesome to watch. Genesis beats the Tesla off the line, covering 60 feet 11 hundredths sooner. But by the time they're a quarter way down the track, just 3 hundredths of a second separate the two cars, meaning they're less than half a car length apart. They stay that way all the way down the track, crossing the line 0.03 seconds apart, with the Tesla traveling 1.65 miles an hour more quickly. A lead gained only in the last few moments as the Genesis starts to pull power.
Now that is a drag race. The GV60 didn't fully banish the Tesla Model Y Performance, but the fact that they tied means Tesla finally has some real competition. And leave it to the company that can do no wrong. Well done. You pretty. Oh, hi. I didn't see you standing there. But since you're there, let me ask you a question. Do you know about Ask Hagerty? That's a service that we offer to Hagerty Drivers Club members where you can call in and ask anything. It's also the only way. Hold on, there's a caller right now. Thank you for calling Ask Hagerty. This is Jason. How can I help you? The red line on that engine is 7,200 RPM. You're welcome. As I was saying, the Hagerty Drivers Club is the only way that you can get our award-winning Drivers Club. Hold on one second. Thank you for calling Ask Hagerty. This is Jason. How can I help you? Yes, a very strange tire size indeed. 205 55 15. You're welcome, Mom. See you for dinner? Okay, love you. Bye. Anyway, as I was saying, that's how you get the magazine. Hold on one second. And there's a Thank you for calling Ask Hagerty. This is Jason. How can I help you? Ew. No, not ask anything. It's the only way for you to get the magazine and stuff. So there's, oh my God, there's a link that's above here somewhere floating on the thing you can click on, and I get credit for it. It's probably in the description too. Hold on. Thank you for calling Ask Hagerty. Please hold. Thank you for calling Ask Hagerty. Please hold. Thank you for calling Ask Hagerty. Please hold. Hello, and thank you for calling Hagerty and Ask Hagerty and Hagerty Drivers Club. If you know your party's extension, please dial it after the tone. Para continuar en español, oprime el ocho. Anyway, there's also other cool stuff for HDC membership, including free advertising in our classified ads and, yeah, I'm sorry. Thank you for holding. How can I help you? Yeah, I'm single. Call me on my personal line after, yeah, filming right now. Thanks, bye. Thank you for holding. Fired. You're fired.